Neena's Thai Kitchen. Today I would like to show you one of the special dishes that my whole family love it. Pong Kari or Thai crab curry. And I hope that your family will love it too. This recipe you can cook it with raw crab or cooked crab. The reason I say that because I myself don't have a gut to kill a crab. So I always go to the 99 Ranch Market, the local supermarket, and ask them to steam the whole crab for me. And when I take it home, clean it, cut it, and cook it with my curry sauce. It's almost tastes the same with the raw one. I will show you both way how to cook with the raw crab and with the cooked crab. We're going to start with the raw crab first. At the bottom of the crab, the little sheet there, we're gonna tear it off. It's called apron. Oh, it's still fresh. Pull out the shell by using one thumb holding the leg and another thumb pull the shell off. Remove gills from both sides. Push down the top part at the eyes area and pull it off. Now it's time to clean it to get rid of soil and sand. For the body, I use the brush to scrub all of the dirt out. And now it's cleaned. So I'm going to cut half first. Cut it into 2 or 3 pieces. I myself like the small piece, so I'm going to cut it into 3 pieces on each side. Now it's time to prepare ingredients. I have chopped garlic, thinly sliced ginger, and slice of the onion. For the scallion, this one is big, so I'm going to cut half first. And I also have huge Chinese celery, so I'm gonna cut it into 1-inch pieces. Next is the chili. I'm going to put 2 today. You can put 2 to 4. I like to mix the curry sauce first to make it easier at the cooking time. Let's cook. At medium heat, stir fry garlic, ginger, and onion. After that, we're gonna add crab in there. Stir fry a little bit to get the crab coated with the oil. Place shell in a wok and add 1/4 cup of water. Steam it for about 5 minutes or until it's cooked. When it's cooked, the meat should be solid white, not transparent. Once it's cooked, reduce the heat to low heat and add the curry sauce. Mix it well together and make sure that each piece of crab is coated with curry sauce. Add scallion, celery, and chili and give a quick stir. You don't want to cook it too long because you're gonna lose the creamy texture. It's done. Looks so delicious. You have to plate it like a pro. And don't forget to take pictures and share it to your family and your friends. Now it's time to eat, and I'm going to grab the biggest piece. Get some crab mustard or crab fat, whatever it is. My whole family love it. A scoop of sauce and mix it with the rice. Oh my god, yum. And this is gonna be so good. You see this? This is how you eat the crab, with your fingers. With rice. This is so good. I wish I can share with you. Option 2, cooking with steamed crab. We're going to clean and cut the crab the same way as the raw crab. At medium heat, stir fry garlic, ginger, and onion. After that, we're gonna add crab in there. Stir fry a little bit to get the crab coated with the oil. Cover the lid and steam it for only 1 minute because we just want to warm it up. The crab is already cooked. Reduce it to low heat and add curry sauce. Mix it well together and make sure that each piece of crab is coated with curry sauce. Add scallion, celery, and chili and give a quick stir. You don't want to cook it too long because you're gonna lose the creamy texture. It's done and it looks so good. Here is the crab curry recipe. Please give it a try. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends.